Hi, my name is Stella, but you can name it me also Sahar. It's my Arabic name. I'm from Tunisia. I'm a dancer professional. I like dancing all the type of the dance, like hip-hop, contemporary, and I love so much to express my feelings and my emotion in dance. The dance is the air that I smell it, everything in my life. It's in my blood, so I can't live without it. So I'm very grateful, and I want to thank my professional paparazzi who make for me a lot of photo and a lot of professional videos dancing. And thank you, Chris. Thank you for all the photo and the video and for your all work that you do it with me. You are professional. Love you.